How's it going, guys? We'll get started in about a minute. How's it going, guys? Give me another minute, guys. We'll start. B, man, I hope so too, dude. That was pretty bad. Alright, guys, let's do this. 2 Optic. 2 Chronicles. I mean, I don't think it could be any worse. Good luck. I don't believe it's possible to be worse than the football. But I hope not. Got Harper out of 60. Phillies. I was expecting. I didn't think playoff was going to be that bad. Playoff was terrible. We got Angels, David Fletcher. Did not think playoff was going to be that atrocious, but it was. Don't you have the Angels? Kevin Newman, Pirates. 99. Yeah, Optic was pretty bad too. Yelich, Prism, Brewers. Guess we got a hot box. Chance Adams, Yanks, 75. Should have 5 autos in this box. That's 3. Jake Cave Twins, 199. I wasn't expecting much from the collector's box. Blackman, Rockies, Prism. I mean, it has all the guys, so it has the chance to hit the autos. Astros, Josh James, 75. But I've seen a couple people pull Votto Reds, Prism. couple of people pull the big name rookies in that collector's box. So, it can happen. Pirates again, Kevin Kramer. The Pirate Brothers. Who are in everything. Jansen Prism, Blue Jays. Vlad rookie. Vladdy. Astros Tucker. Should be at a 150. Feeling this is going to be a not good night. And all around, fortunately. Got a hot box, but nobody good. Next, Optic. It seems like it's always an Astros auto in Optic Baseball in every box. I know it's not like that. 150 Reds Suarez, but it just seems like that. Yep. Get a hot. Well, I think we got another one for parallels. Freeman Braves at a 199. Should be another hot box for the parallels, I believe. Bote Cubs, 199. Yeah, I agree. Like I said, it's not looking like a good night for breaks. Stewart Tigers, 199. It's not looking like a good night. Ramirez at a 60. Indians. Ramirez to 60. Anderson Marlins 199. Well, of course, he doesn't have a lot, but a lot of Tucker, a lot of Josh James. Newcomb Braves 99. Josh James seemingly has one in every box. Baruki Blue Jays 75. It's all the guys you don't really want. Otani Angels 76. Otani to 76. Brios Twins 199. I mean, it can only get better tomorrow. Story Rockies 199, especially for the football. I don't think it could get any worse. Clemson just took the lead. Flaherty Cardinals 199. Yeah, Tucker's alright. I'd rather have Tucker than Josh James. Santana Dodgers 125. And these want to stick to each other. got Crawford Giants, 199. Gallo Rangers, 125. Angels, Joe Adele. Angels. So Angels have both autos, I think. We got Mazzara Rangers, 60. Well, not both the autos, but I think they have two Angels autographs. Chapman Athletics, 150. Paxton, 125, Yanks. Two lefts of Optic. I think there's one more autograph to come, but I could be wrong. And there is Twins, Rod Carew. Minnesota. Vet auto. Mr. Rod Carew. Phillies, Rio Muto. 35. 35, Rio Muto. Hosmer Padres, 150. So that is Optic. We still got Chronicles. Good luck. Chronicles it is. 2 Chronicles. Always fun doing Chronicles, except the cards are never the right way. Fletcher, Vlad Guerrero, Blue Jays. Yeah, man, this is one of the bad ones. It's a thick one. Wow, that's a nice one for the Reds. Nick Senzel, 99. It's supposed to be jersey. That's thick too. Another thick one. Martin at a 25. Astros. Corbin Martin Astros, 25. Another Spectra Athletics. Loreno, 99. Another thick one. 2 thick Spectras. Lau for the Rays, 299. Two Spectrados. Soto Nats. Soto Nats. Yeah, I've been waiting on a lot of redemptions, man. It's always a waiting game with them. We got Bowers Indians, 99. Spectra. Trout Obsidian. Last pack of this box. Austin Dean Marlins. Austin Dean. Absolute Auto. Ichiro out of 50. Mariners. Last box. Last box of this terrible night of breaks. Pretty painful. Well, that's not bad. White Sox, Eloy, 199. Chicago White Sox, Spectra. Chronicles. If it wasn't for Chronicles, it would have been really bad. Wasn't great, but Chronicles saved it a little bit. Pirates, Cole Tucker. Contenders Auto. Tatis, 299. Padres. Another thick one coming up. Ryan O'Hearn, Royals. Three left. We got Nemo at a Mets, 25. Spectra Right Braves, not numbered. Got a 1/1 plates for the Athletics, Matt Olson. 1/1 plate. I didn't know they had plates. And Eloy out of 75, White Sox. All right, last pack, guys. Last pack of misery. Got out of 10, 5 out of 10, Nathan Lau for the Rays. Spectra, 9 out of 10. Not numbered. Alright, guys, let's recap it. Who's that yes for? Who'd you get? Did the Olsen? Got Royals, Round Ahern, Loreno, 99, Athletics. Alright, man. Senzel Reds, 99. We got Lau for the Rays, out of 10. We got a 1 out of 1 plate. Olsen, Athletics. Yeah, it was terrible, dude. Tucker, Pirates. Unless you had the Athletics. Eloy, White Sox, 199. Marlins, Dean. Soto, Nats. Carew, Twins. Adele, Angels. Kramer, Pirates. James, Astros, 75. Adams, Yanks, 75. Newman, Pirates, 99. And Fletcher, Angels, not numbered. Have a good night, guys.